Ikaw ang aking.
Wait, I'll wash off the red first.
Ay, okay lang. Hello everybody! Hey guys, it's your boy David aka Davlorito. Today I'm accompanied by my cousin Benjamin. You can call him Ben. He's here with me because we are going to try these goodies. Explain.
They're wax for hair color, so you don't need to dye your hair and you can just wash it off if you don't want it anymore.
So we got them. These two are from PENSHOPPE. It's a Filipino brand, and I just chose red and gray. And this one, Play-Doh, only saw the blue one, but I also saw that they have purple, blonde, something with gray, black. They had some funky colors. Look, gawin natin ano, half-half. Like different colors because I don't want
Charlie Chaplin.
we don't want to wash our hair so often. Let's say we would start with these two by PENSHOPPE. So when you open these, there's a protection seal thingy. Looks like paint. Okay.
Me first? Ikaw muna.
You know what? Ako maglagay sa'yo, ikaw maglagay sa akin dito. Ooh, it's ano, matigas, it's hard. I mean, it's wax.
So how do you put it? You just rub it?
Yeah, no, it looks like paint. Ew, I hate it already. PENSHOPPE, disappointing. This looks bad, Bench, sorry. Oh, sorry, I put it all over your phone. No, actually, it doesn't look that bad. It smells good. It smells very fresh. Diba? It smells.
Yeah, it smells like... What does it smell?
Ew, pero... It smells like clay dough. Ayun na lang, Bench. Ayoko nilagay sa akin mo. Sorry, I got it on your... Okay, tip already. Don't put it on the forehead. Just put it on the hair.
It'll make you look like you're angry.
Check. Loko. Is it? Actually, the reason why he's in this video is because he's my guinea pig. We did the blue naman together when we went out and got these. Okay, if there's one thing I noticed, it just feels like actual paint. But you know, on camera it doesn't look as bad. It actually looks like my hair when I had this color. This looks like in the Filipino movie, guy has red hair and you can just totally see it's basically paint.
Take my forehead off and then see how it looks like.
Wait, so I don't know. Not a fan. Your fingers will look like this. Let me see if you can wash them out. Red one I don't like. Here's the gray one.
Maybe you didn't like the red because of the color or because of...
No, it just looks so poor quality. It looks bad. You know what? Sorry, I'm not gonna put the gray. I want to put the blue one. Ikaw ang aking.
Wait, I'll wash off the red first.
Ay, okay lang.
Let me wash off the red first.
Ew, this is so gross. Wag na. It looks like I'm putting white paint or toothpaste in his hair. Gross.
It's as if a child played with my head.
We'll take a picture of that later para meron kang remembrance. I don't know what PENSHOPPE thought when they developed this product.
Well, maybe if you want to have a costume party and you want something cheap.
Okay guys, this looks so weird. Look, oh. This is the red. Actually on camera it doesn't look that bad. Reality it looks really bad. So I think for photo shoots this is okay. Focus. Ew. Okay guys, so since I don't like that one, I'm gonna show you the Play-Doh. The Play-Doh is better. It's good. I hope it's good. Baka yung tester lang maganda. This one I got from Super Metro and it was 180, so it's a bit pricier. I put this on. Let me just give my review on this product. It smells good. I think it holds the hair as a wax should, but it just looks nasty.
Nasty! Nasty!
In real life. So if you're doing photo shoot, it's okay.
Yeah, for photos I think it's okay.
If you're doing just for cosplay.
Yeah, so this one, Play-Doh, looks like this and it smells nice. Diba?
Yeah, but a bit different. This one smells more like...
I think that PENSHOPPE smells better, to be honest. See, it's so much softer. As you see, the blue
comes to the...
After you use it, your hands will be looking like this.
Navi.
Okay, so it's actually less blue on camera. Play-Doh product, you can just wash it off with water. You don't need any soap. And this is how it looks like. So everybody, my verdict on this product is PENSHOPPE. Sorry, pero I'm disappointed. I would not recommend these at all. Telling you, not worth it. Unless you want to yung costume parties where parang sinasadya na mukhang peke. While this one, like, it doesn't look natural still, but it looks, in my opinion, more natural in person. You have to use a lot so that it can be seen. But if you just want it for fun, I would still not buy the one from PENSHOPPE. I'd rather go with Play-Doh. I just have blue, but based on the texture and the way you can take it off, I still like this one because this is just water, no soap. Doesn't stain your hair, it doesn't stick forever. The downside though is if you are wanting to wear it for the whole day, chances are that it will fade and you will get messy because just little water and the color fades and you'll have it on your fingers when you sweat, or just water splashes on it. So it's not strong, doesn't have any strong hold. It just has medium hold, this one. These are good as wax products but not really for the color. I don't recommend this for a party if you want to. It has good finish. So yeah, that's that, and thank you Bench for being in this video. And I'm leaving already tomorrow, going back to Korea. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know, thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. And other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening, wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios, Kumai!